And yes, B94. It's this is the sleeper cab, which has got the extra bit on the back where you can sleep. They also did it as a day cab, which didn't have that bit, so you couldn't sleep in it. It's the.
He doesn't know anything.
What colour is it, James?
What have you got then?
A lorry.
What sort?
The big one.
Well, clearly.
It's a Renault. And what makes this one interesting is that the cab sits on top of all the engine. So it has a flat floor. And that means
The floor's flat.
it's easier to fit the carpet. Come on then, Hammond, show me what you've got.
I have this.
What is it?
It's an earth.